Okay, let's go over how to combine data using Append. This one is very, very, very easy. I'd like you to go grab Append. I'm going to move my output data set all the way to the end, break it, and I'm going to go grab Append and I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to connect all the end parts of my paths up into here. I'm going to go down here, go grab it, connect, move it up. Hey, I'm a big stickler for formatting and keeping things as clean as possible. So I'm going to align all the ends that we put in here, just like that. So how I think about this is it's like we have different streams that are happening. We have a stream of water that's now flowing into a bigger river, deltas, gulfs, oceans, etc. So this just means combine everything, put in a big pot, big melting pot, do it. Now, there's something very important with Append. When you click Append, you need to pick include all columns. If you just pick this first one, you're not really appending anything. You're just saying, give me all the rows and all the columns from text formatting, for instance. You want to say include all columns. And that's kind of all you need to do. Now, when you go here, what's all this stuff? Well, this is basically saying that, hey, for that table called text formatting, which is that one, Domo is telling you we're going to add 14 columns to it. And the reason why it's adding 14 columns is because we did extra stuff in these other steps that we did here, if you've been following sequentially. Same thing with for date operations, we're adding more things that weren't in the previous steps, add formula, etc. So that's how we do it. Just smacks them all together into one giant box. Let's hit run preview so you can see. All right, we go to Append. Now, if we did this correctly, we should have a lot more columns that are brand new. So we have date, ID, portfolio company, blah, 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 blah. Go all the way to the end. And there we go. Look, we have our delimited stuff, our left-right stuff that we've been doing, date operations, ring, today, value mapper, all these things come in. But you can see they're not appearing all the way on the left or right side because we're not doing a join. We're just doing a append. We're just putting them on top of each other if it is applicable. So that is what an append does. What I will usually use an append for instance, will be, let's say you have a data set that is for January, and you happen to have another one that's for February, another one that's for March. You have all these different ingredients. That's how I'll layer them. I'll just use append to put them all together. Just easy peasy. It's kind of like when you copy and paste rows in a workbook and just move it into another workbook. That's kind of what the append thing is. Again, as long as the column names are all similar. All right, that's how to use append.